Don't skip posting mom just because the photo needs editing. Use Pixlr AI to create a beautiful Mother's Day poster. Here's how. Step 1. Don't post a blurry photo. Use Superscale to improve the quality. Pixlr's AI actually adds detail instead of making it fuzzy. Look at that clarity. Mom deserves the best resolution. Next, let's fix the lighting and tone in Adjust. Hit Auto Adjust to let the AI do the work. Look at how warm the image looks. Is the background a mess? Create a copy of the image and use the AI Remove Background to cut the main focus out. Then, add white outline and shadow. Suddenly it's a poster, not just a snapshot. Let's begin creating the post for the photo. Add frame into the canvas. Then right-click on it to add the photo. Feel free to add frame, shadow, and even the shape. Now let's add the words. Click Text. Scroll through the fonts and choose which fits your cup of tea. Feel free to explore the text features. Make sure to keep the text where it doesn't cover her face. Less is more. When text hides her smile, the message gets lost. Let's add elements for more details. Add 2 or 3 small things like doodles or a flower. Resize and place them accordingly. Fun tip: you can change any element's color by adjusting the hue in the Adjust tab. Add elements that represent her. Make the poster about her. Generic decorations feel like a template. Personal details feel like you truly see her. Now add a paper texture to make it pop. Upload a wrinkled paper image and place it over the whole poster. Keep it on the top layer. Then, set blend mode to multiply and lower the opacity. And you're done. From a blurry photo to a keepsake she'll treasure. Go ahead, make Mom's Day her week and her feed. Happy Mother's Day!